guys, today we're going to be building a 5-piece artillery. It has this cool little turret. And then also, so this is how it's made. So, you'll need these pieces. You need a hand piece. You want these double pieces. 3 of these type of pieces. I think you can already see the white version. See? Like that. And that's it. Alright, so this is how you make it. So this, you first put 2 of these little things inside. One would take half of the space, I think. The other one would take the other half. It looks like that. And then you take this piece, another one of these I mean, put it on there. And then take your hand piece and just open. Put it on there. That is how you make your artillery.